This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact charge and why it's incorrect. Open your Apple ID purchase history or report a problem. Apple.com and capture a screenshot of the item, date, price, and order ID. Once done, decide the fastest path. Use Report a Problem for App Store purchases, contact Apple Support Chat for complex cases, or prepare bank dispute info if Apple can't help. Make sure to keep timestamps and any communication logs. They'll speed resolution and justify your claim. Now file the request. Go to Report a Problem. Apple.com, sign in, find the purchase, select a clear reason, and write a concise explanation with screenshots. If Report a Problem doesn't apply or is slow, open Apple Support Chat or call. Provide the order ID immediately. If Apple asks for escalation, have your bank/card statement ready and 1 or 2 ID to verify identity. Keep sentences short when you type or speak. That clarity prevents delays and reduces the need for back and forth. Complete the process by monitoring email and your card statement for Apple's decision, which commonly arrives in 3 to 7 days. If Apple approves, the refund posts to the original payment method. Make sure the amount matches the order. If denied, politely request escalation to a senior advisor, and if that fails, prepare a bank chargeback within your card's deadline, usually 60 days. Troubleshooting tip: if delays occur, forward all prior emails to support and insist on an escalation number to avoid losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.